A. One more time. A. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to our class. Today we are going to learn about alphabet A. Okay, this one uppercase A and this one lowercase a. And do you know what is the sound of letter A? Put your hands up together. A. One more time. A. Okay, now we write letter A together. We will start with uppercase first. First, you start on the top here. Draw a line, go down, and then one more from the top, and then a straight across line here. Okay, and then we start with lowercase a. You draw a curved line like this, and then a straight line, go down like this. Okay, and now your turn. Start from the top, down, one more, go down, and then straight line, cross like this. Okay, and then lowercase a, draw a curved line and a straight line and go down. Good job. Okay, A, apple. Alligator. Okay, I think that's all for our letter A, and then we will see letter B in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.